Hi everyone, today I'm doing my March Nailboxy unboxing. Already I noticed that this month's box is much bigger than the box I had last month. That was my first box, so I'm not sure if this is the standard size. So I'm just going to start off by telling you a little bit about Nailbox by Red Iguana April Ryan. So how it works, you join and in each box you receive 5 to 10 full nail products. I'm ranging from professional to gel polish, such as gel polish, builder gel, acrylic, nail products, tools for a better price with free US shipping. They give you new creative ways for products in the Nailbox. You're watching tutorials on social media accounts. So they recommend that you follow them on social media. I follow them on Instagram and they post little things with each item that comes in the box. And then get exclusive Nailboxy members only offers from best nail brands, share work with Nailboxy products, and win giveaways. And then the monthly box is $29.99, which is still iPay, or you can pay for 3 months, which would be $28.99, 6 months, which would be $27.99, 12 months, which would be $26.99. And then it goes off of the what's in this nail box, which I don't want to see, even though I kind of have an idea since I said I follow them on Instagram, or you can purchase past nail boxes. So let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing of this March Nailboxy. Alright everybody, so let's go ahead and get into this month's box. As always, it's packaged very nicely. Oh, and there's a card this month. The card says receive 10% off your purchase and free shipping when you spend $50 and use code Nailboxy Dulce Nail Sprinkles. And it gives all their social media information and their website. That's nice. And opening the box right away, it smells like acrylic or monomer, so it smells like nail products. And they give you this e-nail couture. I believe these are nail forms. Oh, they give you a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, they give you 10. So you could do one full set with these. So there's those. The next thing I see is the acrylic system. For professional use only by an e-nail couture, made in the USA. I don't think it says a shade or anything. It just says acrylic system. But it looks like it would be just a clear. Yeah, it looks like a clear or white. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's nice. So it looks like they're giving you everything you need to complete acrylic nails besides a brush. Yeah, Pink Magic Monomer. It's the best in the world by e-nail couture by Max Estrada. I also follow him on Instagram too, so I knew he was going to have some stuff in this box. It says it's 4 ounces. It's not completely full. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but could have ended up spilling in the box, but it doesn't look like any spill. Let me see. When you open it, no, it's sealed. So yeah, it looks like they give you everything you need to create an acrylic set besides a brush, which honestly I would rather have the brush instead of the forms, because then you could use, I would rather use tips and things like that. I've never used forms. And then there are these Dulce nail sprinkles, so that goes along with, sounds like they're repping this brand right here, and there's a picture of them even on there. So let's go ahead and open these, if I can. There we go. Oh, something spilled. It looks like clear glitters with like purple, pink, and green butterfly glitters. Oh my gosh, I'm spilling it all over the place. That's not good. And then the next thing are these Swarovski crystals. It looks like they have like a slight pinkish tint to them. And then it looks like there are some regular clear colors. So these are pretty. And I got glitter all over them. And then there is this gel polish that looks like by the same brand, e-nail couture. Does it say a shade? Oh, it looks like the shade was taken off. just says by Max Estrada. And it says directions. Well, let's go ahead and swatch this. This looks like it's, oh no, there's one more thing in the box. We'll swatch that in 1 minute. And there's also a nail file in the box, a 100 grit by Nail Couture. So it looks like most of this box is by the whole Max Estrada brand. And like I said, it gives you everything you need to do an acrylic set except for a brush. So I'm going to move this box aside and then we can go ahead and do a nail swatch. So I don't have a color for this, so I don't know what I'm going to put, but I will put, I'll put E-Nail, I don't know how to spell that, I spelled it wrong. I'm saying no name, and then we'll swatch it. Oh, it looks like more of a navy color. And it's definitely thicker than the other gels that I've received in other boxes. And it's got a different kind of smell too. It's thicker, but definitely more opaque than other gels. Go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds and lamp. Honestly, that looks pretty opaque already, but I'm still going to apply 2 coats. That looks alright. 2 coats on this nail swatch. And apply 1 more coat of this like navy blue type color. Kind of wish it said the name on it. I hate having no names. And keep that back on the light. So overall, I've enjoyed this box. The only thing is I don't know if I will, since I am not a professional nail artist, I don't know if I will use many of this stuff. I will use the gel polish. I'll probably paint my nails with this in another video and use something from my Chrysler box unboxing. But I don't know. I mean, maybe once I start going to nail school, I will be able to use these and save it for that. But as of now, I don't feel like I will use much of it. But yeah, other than that, I did enjoy the box. I'm glad I got to try. I want to try this brand. Like I said, I follow him on Instagram, and so I've seen a lot of it, and I've seen him work with nail career education. So I'm excited to try his stuff, and I'm glad that they are repping other small brands so that we can look into them. But other than that, yeah, that completes this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the completed nail swatch. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.